Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek Performance. If you're looking for a rear spoiler that is going to be simple to install and easy to have painted, take a look at the ZTA rear spoiler that we have for the 2010 to 2013 Camaro. This spoiler is blown, injected, molded out of an ABS material for its durability, lightweight, and impact resistance, making it perfect for a daily driver. The spoiler sits approximately 4 inches tall and extends about 3.5 inches past the edge of the factory deck lid, adding an aggressive look while retaining full view of your rear view window. There are coupe and convertible options available. The coupe models are straightforward with a simple bolt-on installation. The convertible spoilers will have the provisions for the factory antenna to be mounted, allowing you to retain your factory radio reception. The ABS material makes this spoiler very easy to paint due to its smooth lines and little body prep that is needed to lay down a great paint job for that perfect color match to your Camaro. And with the pre-installed ZTA fittings, installation is a simple bolt-on using the supplied hardware. Jumping over to the installation for the coupe model, and with our spoiler already painted, we're going to have to open the trunk lid and remove the liner and these grommets. Using a 10mm socket, we can remove the nuts, loosening the factory spoiler. Then all we have to do is squeeze the retaining clip and remove it from the trunk lid. Once removed, we can clean the trunk lid and mount our ZTA spoiler right back in the factory location using the supplied hardware. Once the spoiler is installed, all we will need to do is reinstall our liner and grommets to finish out the install. There you have it, guys. Installation is just that easy to update the look of your Camaro with a simple spoiler install. Now, as always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe for future Camaro videos.